Installation and assembly of wall runs are very similar, but with important differences. In this portion of the video, we will stress the points that are different. Always consult the written installation instructions, which are more specific. It is recommended that the wall units be anchored to the wall. However, this may not always be the case, depending on local codes or seismic requirements. As we all know, we will encounter a wide variety of wall construction in our stores. For this reason, the method of anchoring you will see is only to give you a general idea. As always, consult your written instructions or local codes for specifics. The shelving wall uprights will be secured to a simple run of 1x4 furring strips at approximately 8 inches below the top of the upright. Determine run length and location, then strike a chalk line on the wall to align the furring strips. Start with a 10-foot long 1x4, using 8-foot long pieces for the rest of the run. Most of the time, this ensures that the uprights will not be on a joint. You must determine the best way to secure the furring strips to the wall, depending on the wall construction. Remember, the furring strips and anchoring devices are obtained locally. They will not be shipped by Madix. Lay out parts with kick plates, lower and center spanners end to end. Uprights should overlap so the bottom of each upright will stand at the break in kick plates. Lay out one back for first section nearby. Insert base shoes into uprights. Shoes do not have to be locked in at this time. Raise first upright to vertical and push downward sharply. The base shoe should lock in. If it does not lock in, step firmly on top of the shoe to lock. Lay upright on floor. Drive WSRP pin through the upright and base shoes. Do this for the remaining uprights. Raise first and second upright to vertical and install center and lower spanners. Both spanner tabs must be showing below lances. Do not hammer. A table is in the instruction pages showing the recommended position or slot for the center spanner depending on the unit height. You may also want to snap in kick plates to save motion and help square the shoes. Remember, the 1.5-inch notch at the corners of the kick plate should be at the top when properly installed. Hold upright and bow in the first back to stabilize run. Do not drop onto lower spanner. Erect remaining uprights in run and install center and lower spanners. Kick plates may also be snapped in. On runs of 6 sections or more, stabilize by adding a back in the last section. When only one back is used for wall units against an existing wall, the lower spanner tab opposite the back should be bent up. This is to prevent the spanner from rolling due to weight on only one side of it. Attach nylon line to one end upright and in the corresponding slot on opposite end upright. Start wall leveling with the leveling legs about 1/4 inch out. Examine all upright slots at nylon line to determine highest upright and run, excluding the end uprights. Bring the end uprights up to level with the highest upright, then plumb all uprights using base shoe leveler and upright leveler. Install lower backs and splicer spanners. If not using mounting brackets, drill 1/4 inch pilot hole and secure the upright to the furring strip with 3-inch by 5/16 inch lag screw with washer. It may be necessary to shim behind the upright. If wall mounting plates are used, pull the upright forward and insert the plate. Drill 5/32 inch pilot holes and secure with 3/4 inch by number 12 sheet metal screws. Again, it may be necessary to shim behind the upright. Remove nylon line and install upper backs by bowing into place. Install top spanners and upright caps. Please note you may receive all plastic upright caps or a combination of metal and plastic. The plastic caps serve an added purpose of locking in the top spanners. The metal caps serve as covers only and are best used on end uprights. Install upright end covers. Install base end covers. Install base shelves, making sure that they are secured in the upright and the ears of the base shoe. Install upper shelves and accessories.